Hello, hi, my name is Mohammed Oliullah. Assalamu alaikum. International Justice and International High Court authorities. I am making case against America President Donald Trump and American government in international court for $5 trillion. I am suing America for $5 trillion. What is the reason? The reason is American government break in my government system and get inside American CIA and Indian law. And that's against the international rules. So I am suing America and I'm making international case against India and Israel. Their agent guard in Bangladesh and the Bangladesh political issue, they guard in the problems and Bangladesh citizens' life in dangers because their government, politicals and their agent in Bangladesh try to make Bangladesh citizens' life in dangers and front face to